So hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today is day 13 of 90 days challenge. And in this video I want to say something you that if you are beginner like me, and if you start your journey improve English improvement, and if you find right books and which book read first you beginning. And guys, I am beginner and recently I have started my English learning journey. And if you are ready to improve English, and you can enhance your speaking practice, so first of all you must read. And I have started my journey last month, and in December month, and mid the end of January month, I have read at least 5 to 6 books related to English. And in these books there are 2 to 3 books, story books, and 2 books are self-help book. So yes, these books are very helpful for me, and these books improving my speaking skills. And because guys, input is very important. So input in sense listening and reading, then we will able to speak English something. So first I'm going to share about my books. And first book I read in last December when I started my English improvement journey. So this is my first book, Dollar Bow. I have read last December month, and this is my first book I read. And if you are a beginner and you start your learning journey, so definitely you must read. And this book written by Sudha Murthy, and easy to understand, easy language, and very helpful for every beginner. So that's why you must read this book. And second book is The Bird with Golden Wings. This book written by Sudha Murthy. So this book is very helpful and storybook and easy to understand. Each and every beginners for helpful. Okay, and then I read. Then when I read 2 storybooks, then I read this book, Attitude is Everything. So this book is a self-help book. Okay, so when you start your journey, and me, and when we improving your speaking skills, and improving or multiple types of knowledge, then this book is very helpful, because self-help is very important. So this book is very helpful, written by Jeff Killer, Attitude is Everything. So you must read, easy to understand, and this language is very easy. Okay, then I read The Magic of the Lost Temple. This book is written by Sudha Murthy, and in this book story is very impressive and very curiousness story. So that's why we read attentive reading. And because when we read this story is very curious, so that's why we reading more and more. So it's very important to every beginner and easy to understand. So next book is my Do Epic Shit. No, Do Epic Shit not. The next book is The Magic of the Lost Story. This book is written by Sudha Murthy, and The Magic of the Lost Temple and The Magic of the Lost Story. These books related, each and every book, and easy to understand, and every beginner's helpful. Okay, so then I read Do Epic Shit. So this is a self-help book, and if you are struggling with our goals, and if you are struggling with finance, if you are struggling with money, if you are struggling with emotions, so Ankur Warikoo is book very impressive, and the roadmap is provided by Ankur Warikoo is very important for every beginner, for every struggle person. So that's why you must read. Language is very easy and easy to understand. And in this book Ankur Warikoo provided multiple type of task, and not task, but he provide his life ethics, why we learn, why we make something, everything. So that's why it's very helpful. Okay, so these are books I read in December and now January month. So today I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books in English. So these are books very helpful for you. And if you are a beginner like me, and if you start your journey, so definitely read these books because it's very helpful for every beginner. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.